Right. Okay, guys. Now listen carefully. Now we are going to start our past paper session. Hare. In the past paper session, because remember, the best paper is always the past paper. Because past paper is not too hard or not too easy, right? Whenever if someone makes a paper, other than the past paper, if someone's make a paper, normally when you take a school term test paper, it might be normally sometimes difficult than the past paper. Mostly school term papers are difficult than the past paper. So different schools try to show their difficult, there are standards. Therefore, they try to make very hard questions for this. And also, like even if you go for a class, the target papers, whatever we are giving, also definitely it is harder than the normal O-level paper. So a standard O-level paper means, all right, you should be able to do it well. Okay. Now you can, so you can join the meeting. Are you in the group or anything? No, are you in the group? Okay, then get the 2021 paper. All right, today we are going to discuss 2021 O-level paper. Okay, for online students, if you have any issues, you can message to our chat box and you can ask your issues. Okay, so first of all, we are starting with 2021 O-level paper, right? 2021. Okay. Oh, okay. Guys, you guys, can you download 2021 O-level paper? Download the 2021 O-level paper. Right. So today our plan is, yeah, you are in the under 2021 O-level paper. Everyone, please try the first five questions. Please try the first five questions. Okay. Right. Mm, you can. Okay. Give a try. Set of people come here, will you? For this room. Come. Yeah, yeah. You three only. You guys, did you download 2021 paper? How many percent? Gone off? Very sad. Right. There are five questions. The first five questions of the past paper. Right. 2021. Can you see? Yes. Difficult to see. 2021. First five. Eh? Right. 2021 O level paper. First five. They downloaded. Just download it, bang. You have the phone. Right. This yeah. Yeah. Did you download it? Have you took a screenshot? From where? I not getting download. Right, okay. So you can give your phone. I can put it to charge. It's a Z type. The next time when you're coming, please bring the past paper. At least take a printout. Okay. What happened? Yeah. Now we are going to finish also. Right. Okay. Pudha, you have phone? No? You have phone, right? Give, I take a picture and give of this question. You three share. This. Give your phone, I'll take a picture and give. Your phone, your phone. Why no charge? Sorry. Sorry, okay. And now, okay, we'll discuss. Okay. Now let's discuss the question. Uh, question, first of all, they have the paper, some you can see the paper, right? First of all, I'll write the questions, whatever here, right? The first thing is they have said when item is imported, custom duty of 22% is charged on its import value. What is the value of an item of import value 8,000 rupees? Okay, the first question is like this. They are importing something for 8,000. 22% charge as duty. They are asking what is the custom duty amount. Okay, they are asking what is the total amount after paying the custom duty. Now total amount what they have to spend කියලා තමයි. This is the first question. Total amount to spend. Second question is they have given a triangle like this, and here x, here it is 2x, this side is equal to this side, and they have asked what is the value of x. Third question, they have given 9x squared minus 4 and they have asked to factorize. Okay, this is the third question. Fourth question, okay, they have given the arc length of a sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeter is 11. Okay, they have given the arc length is 11 centimeter, radius is 7 centimeter. They have asked what fraction of the circle is the sector කියලා they have asked. Okay, they have asked what is the fraction. What fraction කියලා asked. They have asked what fraction කියලා of the circle. They have asked what is this theta as a fraction. Number 5, find the magnitude of ABC based on the information in the figure. So they have given like this. Okay, this one like this they have given, and in this they have given this is 38. See, this is the standard of a O level paper in a picture by difficulty level actually in a O level paper. Okay, so that's why I'm training mainly the O level papers here, right? So you can understand how much you have to give importance, and you should understand maths is very easy. Okay, these are 5 questions in 2021 O level paper, right? Now, what are we doing? 2021 O level paper. Today I will give time to do this. Next week onwards, you have to do and come the questions. We are discussing only the questions here, Hari. So you have to do this as a homework. Okay. Now let's discuss these questions. First thing is, they have asked for a 8,000 rupees item, if they charge 22% custom duty. First of all, you can see the custom duty amount like this. For 8,000, they will charge 22%. So 8,000 into 22 or 100 kilo, you can see this. So two zeros, you can simplify it. So 8 into 2 will be 16. 8 into 2, 16, 17. 1,760 will be the amount for custom duty. Then you have to see the total. How to, okay, right? How to see the total? This 8,000, and this 1,760, what should you do? You have to add this. If you add 8,000 and 1,760, if you add this, how much? Rupees 9,760, you get the answer. Right. See the second one. For the second one, they have given, it's a triangle. First listen, after that I'll give time to write, children. You can see this is a triangle. They have given this side is equal to this side. What type of triangle is this? Yes. What type of triangle? It's an isosceles triangle. Nice. Okay. Just I'll stop sharing this. Otherwise, can't see this. Okay. Now, what type of triangle is this? It's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles mean opposite sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal and opposite angles also equal. Opposite angle means children. This side 2x mean this side will be how much? 2x. Okay, this angle is 2x mean this angle also will be 2x. Okay, then if you add all these angles together, that should be equal to how much? 180. So x 2x 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 and 2x how much? 4x and x 5x. So directly you write 5x equal 180, and both side divide by 5 to get the value of x. So x will be equal 18 divided by 5 mean okay 3. 30 divided by 5 mean 36 degrees ke liye you get the answer. Remember, if you write this much, that is enough. Ar podi eka wage no need to write in the marking scheme x plus 2x plus 2x equal to 180. එහෙම දදා ඉන්න ඕනේ නැහැ, right? But if you write this much, you get 2 marks. Don't worry about that. Careful listen what you should do to get marks. Okay? මෙච්චරයි O level maths paper. Remember, one of the most easiest paper is O level maths paper. But our country intelligence think it's a difficult paper. සිරාවට බං O level maths mean nothing. Remember that. Nothing. But only 64% passed O level maths. 26 people, again nearly 36% of the students fail maths. For no reason. Every year they ask the same paper. Only the numbers are different. Then why students fail? කාලකන්ණි කම. Right? Nothing else. හරි. Then next thing. So now again maths is actually nothing difficult bang. Hare pattama lazy. Hare. Now the third one. 9x squared minus 4 factorize. Puta, under factorizing we have 3 types of factors. Whenever we meet different factors, I will speak about that. We got 3 types of factors. Our first type of factor is something like normal factors. Second thing is difference between 2 squares. Difference between 2 squares mean, what is the condition there? Whatever you have there, it should be either a square number or a square letter. And whatever, every content, whatever you can see should be a square letter or square number. And there should be a minus between them. Then only this become difference between 2 squares. So now you can check it like this. So what is this? 9. 9 mean? Is it a square number? Square number? Yes. Which square number is 9? 3. Very good. 3. එතකොට x mean square letter. 4 means square number. You have to see square numbers and square letters for that. Then you have to write everything as squares now. With a 9, you have to write 3x square කියලා you should write. Minus you should write minus. 4 mean you should write as 2 squares. But how you should write this, how you should elaborate and write this, it is like this. This is the rule of difference between 2 squares. If you have 2 square letters or square numbers with a minus, what should you do? You have to write one as a plus. X and plus y you should write. The other set you should write x minus y. One set you should write as a plus, other set you should write as a minus. Now what are the two sets here? 3x and 2. Then how will you write this? 3x plus 2. How will you write it here? 3x minus 2. You will write 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. Okay, this is how you are going to write it. Okay, so you're going to get 2 things. One is 3x plus 2, other one is 3x minus 2. Nice. Come for the fourth one. Now fourth question, they have given a sector. We call this as a sector, a part of a circle. They have asked what fraction is this sector kiyala they have asked. To find what fraction is this, you have to find the angle first. How will you find the angle? Yeah. But what is the formula related to arc length? Arc length equal theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Arc length is equal theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Nice. So first thing, we'll write arc length equal. We'll write arc length is equal theta over 360 into 2 pi r. First we'll write this equation. Arc length equal theta over 360 into 2 pi r. After this, do we know the arc length? Do we know the arc length? Yes. How much is it? 11. Then put 11 for arc length. Do I know the theta? Don't know. I don't know the angle. So we'll put theta as theta over 360. Okay. 2 pi r mean what? 2 into pi is how much? 22 over 7. Radius is how much? 7. Nice. Radius is 7. Okay. Now what should I do? What should I do? Now I have to simplify these things. Okay. I have to simplify. I simplify. Carefully listen. Carefully listen. Maram important. Okay, we can draw it. First of all, we'll finish this field. This 7 and this 7 simplify. Carefully listen. Maram lazy. I'm going to tell a easy shortcut. This 11, remember, if there are, now this is the left side of the equation, this is the right side of the equation. Carefully listen. This is the left side of the equation, this is the right side of the equation. Okay. Now left side and right side, when you take children, if you have only multiplication, now we'll say you got 3 into 5 kilo you got. Here we'll say you have 6 into 10 kilo. Just imagine like this. And just if there are only multiplication and division in left side and right side of a equation means what you can do, children, this 3 and this 6 you can cut. Again, top numbers you can cut for top numbers. Okay, top numbers you can cut for top numbers. Therefore we call this system as top system. Okay, this simplification system we are calling top system. Okay, therefore you can cut 3 and 6 like this, and you can write 1 and 2. Within 5 and 10 you can cut, and you can write 2. Therefore directly 2 into 2 kilo you can get an answer. We'll think x kilo. Okay, so x is equal to 4 kilo. You can at least write in the last without sending here and there. On a same top system, this is applicable. Carefully listen. Bottom simple system. This is applicable, children, only when there is only multiplication and division. If there are addition in between, you can't use this top. Top will be cancelled if there are additions. Alright, got the point? Nice. Then I can cut this. Then what can I do? This 11 divided by 11 is 1. 22 divided by 11 is 2. Then I get the answer as 1 equal to theta over 360 into 2 into 2 is how much? 4. Puta, they are asking this portion as a fraction. What is the sector's fraction they are asking for? Hurry to understand. I'm talking like for an example, just imagine. This is a sector. Will imagine. We'll think this angle is something like 60 degrees. This sector, 60 degree sector. They are asking what is the fraction of this sector from the full circle. If they ask, what will you say? You will tell this 60 degrees out of 360 degrees. This way, how you will tell the fraction of this? No? You will tell this is 60 degrees out of 360. And after that, what will you do? 60 and 60 you can cut. 360 divided by 6. So you will say this is fraction is 1 over 6 kilo. From the full circle, this is 1 over 6. If they ask what is this portion from the full circle, if they ask you, what will you say, Puta? 1 over 2. How do you say 1 over 2? Why do you say 1 over 2? It is 180 degrees out of 360. That's why you cut this and you say 1 over 2. Am I correct? It means what you do here? You tell as a fraction, you tell theta over 360, you are telling as a fraction. Whatever the theta here you put here, whatever the angle here you put here, and you tell that as over 360, that is only no fraction. Am I correct? Now this is 180 over 360 mean what is that? Theta over 360 you are writing as a fraction. Can you understand? Then children may see this easy pattern. Hurry. See this easy pattern. So what do you mean by theta over 360? What is this theta over 360? This is only fraction. Fraction from whole circle. They are asking us. Then send the 4 to this side. When you send this 4 to this side, become when 4 come to this side, become division 4. 1 over 4 is equal to theta over 360. So they are asking the value for theta over 360. No, the answer is 1 over 4. It's right. what normal people will do, normal students, what they will do is they will find the theta value using this. You can find the theta value. See, what will you do? How will you find the theta value? You will send the 360 to this side. You will send the 4 to this side. Then you will get the value as theta as 90. A theta 90, after getting theta 90, what will you do? You will write that as 90 over 360 equal 1 over 4. You think ඒක උච්චර නටන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ බං. Theta over 360 directly when we can see as 1 over 4. Got the point? Again, you are finding theta again and you are putting it in the same answer again. Again, you're coming home. Again, just you're going out and again coming home. Again, you're reaching the destination. Again, you're going that side and again coming to the destination. පිස්සු වැඩන්නේ බං. Right. Again, certain things are there in paper. You can get the answer. Then this is one of the questions. Last question, yeah, beautiful. Who got 1 over as the answer? Online students? Okay, like it. Online got 1 over as the answer. Who got? No one online. Nice. Good. Okay, the people who have got 1 over, nice. So this is an easy way to get this. Tagala write this. Good. Beautifully write this part, Puta. Okay. Right. Now we are talking this 2021 O-level paper. Right, 2021 O-level paper. First of all, our plan is, listen, we will do the entire paper. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 කියන 5 years. Sorry. ඒක fully cover කරන්න තමයි අපේ idea එක within these 6 months. You got only 6 months, guys. 6 months, 24 days. After that, O-level exam. 24 days means just 24 weeks. Right. So, please do this part. In 24 weeks, you're going to face this exam. 2021 O-level paper. Okay, number 5. Even grade 10 students, you can do this part. So far, whatever the things we have done, all are included for you. Oh, as well. Hurry. Now, we'll go for 5th one. Okay. Hurry. But the value of the theta is not necessary. If you want, we can find the value of theta. If someone wants, they can find theta is equal 90 kilo, they can find. Hurry. Right? Okay. So theta you can find as 90. Again, what can you do? Send the 360 to this side. Then theta equals send the 360 to this side, send the 4 to this side. So 360 divided by 4 means theta equal 90 kilo you get. Theta equal 90. Theta equal 90 kilo you can get. That is. Then after finding theta is equal to 90, you can write the fraction as 90 over 360 kilo you can write. So 90 divided by 90 is 1, 360 divided by 90 is 4. So answer will be 1 over 4. You think you can get the answer as 1 over 4, no problem. Can understand what I'm telling? Online students, if you have a doubt, may put in the chat box. Or chat with sir. And you can put your problems. If you have issue, we will definitely address. Right. Now, next one. Now the 5th one. For the 5th one, you can see it is like this. It is a picture. Right? It is a picture like this. To find the angles. And they have given this side as 38 degrees. This side as 40 degrees. Right? And this side as 20 degrees. That is it. Then children, now we have to find, they have asked us to find magnitude of ABC. ABC means they have asked to find this angle. I just take it as X. Okay. Now they have asked us to find this value. Very simple. So the interior angle of a triangle is how much? 180. So interior angle of triangle is 180 bit. 38 and 40 how much here? 78. It means these two 78 mean. Okay. Actually you can, there are so many ways to do this. One way is this 78 mean 180 minus 78 mean how much? 102. Then this will be 102. This is 102 mean you know there is a X shape කියලා there is a thing no X shape. X shape නම් what is that? Vertically opposite angle. So this 102 and this side also will be how much? 102. So 102 and 20 will be how much? Now this will be a triangle. This is 180 degrees, no children. 102 and 20 will be how much? 122. So the total angle should be 180, no? So 180 minus 122 will be how much? 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 2, 5. 58 degrees. So x is how much? 58. So finally you can write x is equal to 58 degrees. Again, if you have marked these things in the paper, and if you directly write 58 degrees in the paper, you get 2 marks. Again, no need to write a reason for every single step in part 1. No need to write, first of all, you are finding here, for an example, just imagine you are finding 102 degrees here, and you are writing that interior angle of triangles. And you are finding again, you are telling this angle is 102 vertically opposite angles. It was you are finding this again as 58, and you are writing interior angle of triangles. A wage baila no need in the paper 1. Right? You can take the marking scheme and check. I'm telling with the marking scheme. Maraba responsible with the we are telling these words. Everything what you want to mark is in the paper. Just you can mark like this the values on the diagram itself. Finally write 58 and just put double line. It's 2 marks done. It's right. No need to write even a single reason for this. Reasons are not required in paper 1. Reasons are required only in paper 2. Boruna marking scheme aram balanna the way how they have given marks. I don't know about the school teachers. Some school teachers they won't give marks if you don't write. But normally paper ke request karla diyenna nahi wage, right? So ek argan. Right. Puta just we'll recall a small part from the angles area related to polygons. Chuttak will recall and take that part. Sorry, put it recall that dagam. Right. Puta, how many letters we got in our geometry? It means when you're finding angles, how many letters we got with that? How many letters? How many letters we got? Nari? How many letters we got? Right. Yeah? Okay. Can give that. How many letters we got? But remember, whenever you are finding things related to geometry, right? So then proving question that come in part 1 also, you don't, what they have asked? Sir, then the proving question that come in part 1 also, you don't need to write reason. That only I am telling. Again, paper 1 again, you don't get a proving question. They won't ask you to prove anything. They will ask to find angles only in paper 1. Paper 2 again, what they give? To prove. Hurry. Tuttak will recall the things related to this one. If you see a parallel line, Buddha, how many shapes you should remember? Even online students, you can reply in the chat box. If you see a parallel line, how many shapes you should remember? 3 shapes. What are those 3 shapes? F, Z, C. Okay. If you see parallel lines, you remember F, Z, C. Okay. Okay. Then if you, other than that, there is another thing, X කියලා එකක් there. Normally the people whom I associated, again, I know mostly Muslim fellows, again, we have associated with everyone, but ගොඩක් Muslim fellows ටිකක් දන්න නිසා මේ F I gave a word called Fatima කියලා. Z I gave a word called Zainab. C I gave a word called cat. X I gave the word called X. ඒ නිසා listen carefully. ඒ නිසා මේ how I gave this Fatima Zainab's 180 cats X. Fatima mean corresponding. Fatima's father's name is corresponding. Fatima corresponding. Zainab's father's name is alternate. Zainab alternate. Cat nang cat ge father kawuda? Allied. Cat ge father ge nama allied. So 180 cats allied. X ge father ge nama vertically opposite. Those are the father's name. F mean puta this F shape, the rule is, what is the rule F shape? If you see a parallel line, if you cross by a line, the whatever the top side, again right top equal to right top. Puta remember this F you can find in many ways. කියන්නේ sometime it is like this. Sometime it is hanging like this. Fatima is hanging like this. එහෙමත් you can find Fatima. Sometimes Fatima is doing push-ups and ඒ වගේත් you can see Fatima. නැත්නම් Fatima is sleeping. අර ඒ කියන්නේ you will find this in different ways the Fatima. Right? හරි. And also even the Zainab you can find in different ways. කොහොමද මේ එහෙම බලන් ඉන්න නැත්නම් looking at other side නැත්නම් මේ push up ගහගෙන ඉන්න මොකක් කරයක් you will see right. ඒ කියන්නේ you can see these people in different ways. So, but Taggala, what should come to your head? Remember, children, if you see a parallel line, Taggala F is at C in a word tunama, it should come at once. The rule of C is Z rule like you know, no, Z rule is what? This angle and this angle equal. C rule like what? This angle and this angle, if you add, these are not equal. If you add this, that is 180. That's why we say Fatima Zainab 180 cats. X you remember. Right? A words for most important, most of the places you get these four things in the paper. Hari, nice. Now this is related to fifth one. Hari, good. Now the other part is next set of questions 6 again. Okay, question number 6. Hari. But they have asked to simplify it. 6, 7, 8. These things you can do, right? 6, 7, 8. Very easy question. See, O-level paper, right? Taggala do. But give the phone. Taggala do 6, 7, 8. Everyone. Hmm. Right. Right. Okay. I can take a photo. You need to tell the password. You itself comment it. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Check the 6, 7, 8. Okay. The sixth question is like this. 6, 6, 4. Again, if you don't have the past paper, at least see this and do. Question number 6. Divide by 3x 2y. Alright. Seventh one, they have asked to fill two blanks. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් බලා ගන්න මේ අතන I have given that. Eighth one, they have asked to find a area. And they have given like this. Grade 10 students also can get a knowledge puta, right? Again, although you haven't done anything related to this, I will give you the knowledge and I will explain this, right? And it's even a student who is grade 10, you can get a maximum use from this. This is 3 centimeter. Okay. And they have told BE is 6 centimeter. And this one is 6 centimeter. They have told from here to here. And also they have told DP is 3. Find the area of the trapezium ABED. Okay, this is A, B, E, and D. They asked to find the area of the trapezium. Okay. Online students, you can send, you can put your answers also. Right. Right. I will send this paper's PDF. You guys, if you don't have a past paper, get a printout of this. Okay, next week when you're coming. Done? Right. Okay, children. Now let's discuss. Okay. Very good. Some students they send the answers. Nice. Hurry. Now let's check on this. Okay, children. Hurry. Stop your work and observe. 6x4 y2 divided by 3x2 y. So first write it like this. Very simple. So simplify. 3 and 6, 2. Then write 2 here. Simplify x and x. X to the power 4. What do you mean by x to the power 4? 4 times x like this. X to the power 2 mean 2 times x like this. So 2x and 2x get cancelled. So x to the power 2 will remain here. Y to the power 2 and y mean what does it mean? Y into y divide by y. So y and y you can get cancelled and 1y will remain here. So this is the answer for first one. Very simple. 2, huh? 6 divide by 3, 2. Right? Right? Okay, observe here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X to the power 4 mean 4 times x. Listen. X to the power 4 mean 4 times x. X to the power 2 mean 2 times x. Then you can cut 2x. You can cut like this. Then x to the power 2 will remain. X into x mean x to the power 2. Y to the power 2 mean y. There are two y's are there. And one y will be down. Then you can cut 1y and 1y. So 1y will be remaining here. And the seventh one they have asked to fill this. They have given a blank here. And they have asked fill in the blanks in the statement given below using suitable numbers. Okay? Right. A right prism with a uniform triangular cross section. Okay? So, what is it? It is like this. Two triangles are there. Now you have to join this. When you join this, this is the triangular prism. So you got two triangular face and three rectangular faces. Right? Two triangular face and three rectangular faces. So they have asked. Cross section has two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. Metan 2 n one, metan 3 n one. See, this is the O-level paper. So, natanna tarang, there is nothing in the O-level paper. Buruවට stress වෙලා නිකන් maths is පට්ට hard. එච්චර scene එකක් you can't see in a paper. So this is the level what they expect. Sorry, number 8. Okay. Carefully observe the questions. Go through the questions. Number 8. They have asked find the area of the trapezium ABED. Now they have said ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, right. Then they have said DC has been produced to E such that AC is parallel to BE from here to here. And they have said this side is 6 kL. Right? Okay. Now, how will you find the area of this trapezium ABED? Yeah. Tell. How will you find the area of this trapezium? half into a plus b into height. That one. Right? Huh? How will you find the area of this trapezium now? Yeah, it's a very good question. Okay. They have given this side is 3 kilo, they have given. What is your problem? This one no? ඒක තමයි දැන් කියන්න යන්නේ. මොකද්ද බං කරගෙන ඉන්නේ? Careful listen, careful listen. Okay. Now, listen, Puta. Now, now they have said this ABCD is parallelogram. DC has been produced to E such that AC is parallel to BE. Right? These both are parallel. Careful listen. Now, this side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. So what is the rule in a parallelogram, children? How many rules are there in a parallelogram? 4 rules. What are the 4 rules? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Second rule, opposite angles are equal. Third rule, if you draw a diagonal like this, if you draw a diagonal like this, if you draw a diagonal, two diagonals, these diagonals will bisect each other. These diagonals will bisect each other mean the meaning is, for an example, this is 10 centimeter mean this will divide into 5 and 5. But remember these two diagonals are not equal. One diagonal is long, one diagonal is short. For an example, just imagine a shape like this. Just imagine a shape like this. The distance what you want to draw from here to here and the distance what you want to draw from here to here, both are not same. Whatever you want to draw from here to here, that is more. Whatever you want to draw from here to here, it is less. Therefore, these two diagonals are not equal in length. But these two diagonals will bisect each other mean this will go through the center. Therefore, this is 5 mean this is 5. This is 6 now, this is 6. For an example, this diagonal 12 now, this diagonal will be something like 10. Those are important rules. And also there is another rule. The area of the parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram mean if you have a parallelogram, if you draw a diagonal like this, if this parallelogram's area is 100 mean children, this will be divided by equally by a diagonal. 50-50. Diagonal mean this line is known as a diagonal. Okay, more important rule. Okay, using this only, what are we going to do? Now we are going to find this area. Now, Buddha, you know, this side is parallel, mean these both opposite sides are parallel, mean this also will be a parallelogram. Therefore, this side is 6 mean this side also should be how much? This side also should be 6. Using this, what can you do? You can find the area of this triangle. Okay, you can find the area of this triangle. Carefully see this. You can find the area of this triangle. If you find the area of this triangle, how you can find the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. So half figure will put half, base is how much? 6. What is the height? 3. 2 and 6, 3. 3 into 3 how much? 9. 9 centimeter squared, we get the area of this triangle. Putha, see this area and this area, what can you tell? This black and this red area, what can you tell? Equal. Why I said area is divided equally by diagonal. So I found this area is 9. Then this area also should be 9. But what can you tell? This is also a parallelogram. No? Then if this area is 9, what should we tell about this area? This area also should be 9. If one area is 9, 9 into how much? 3 is equal to 27 centimeters squared. Okay, can you understand? This is a good question. We have more to ekapparam, you can't see these values. Okay. Okay. All right. Hari, okay. Right. So with this question, today's session coming to an end. Okay. Next week when you guys are coming, okay, please try these questions and come as a homework for this session. Hari. Hari, පුතා මේ question ටික දාගෙන යන්න. Mark, you just put these numbers tag gala. 21 O level. 21 O level. Tag gala put these numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, not 11, sorry. Not 11. No need, no need 11. 11 still you can't do. 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20, 22, 24, and 25. Okay, these are the questions you have to try, right? And I will give you the recording as well for this. Okay, then that's all for today, guys. And all the online students, whoever here, please put a feedback how about today's session, how you feel about this. All right. So before you leave, please send that feedback. Okay, all right.